Hello, guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. By looking at the title, you can see I'm going to give a review about the series Top Form. So, I was thinking about to start a new thing or making of new content in my YouTube channel. So, here is the start. So,
First
today I'm
started
going to
watching
give
this
you the review
series,
of
my
Top Form.
mind was blank. I was not expecting anything from this series. I thought it will be average, something like that, because I knew it is an adaptation from anime, and I know most of the adaptations doesn't live up to that mark. So I was not expecting that much, but God, I was so wrong about this series. And I'm so
So,
happy
coming
that
to
they
the
proved me wrong.
storyline was great, unique, never used in any BL series. Um, they have shown real life problems which was faced by many of the actors, many relationship problems which the actors go through during their life, and that's that's something as an audience I like to see, how beautifully they express that actors are also human. Their life doesn't start and end with their fans. They have their own personal life, and they have all the rights to live up to that. And and oh my god, Jin and Akin, so beautifully they acted their characters, showed their personalities. I just love them. So, talking about Boom's physical acting is a whole experience. Like, the man acts from his spine, from his kneecap. You can tell what his character is feeling from the way he stumbles his shoulders or tighten his hands. He uses his body language so well to deliver a dialogue, everything. Like, you will connect with his character. And oh my god, coming to Smart's acting, he is unreal. The way he shifts tones depending on who is talking to, what he wants, what he is scared of. He's so talented. Sometimes he says something soft, and I was like, oh no, he means that. Oh my god. Talking about him, I was like, again, I'm going to cry. I feel like that. And their scene together, oh god, it is magical. I was locked in. The range is insane. Like, 1 minute I was laughing because of Akin being lovable, and the next I am pausing and the show is just breathtaking. I just love it. And there are many 18 plus scenes. I know you all are getting excited about it. The those scenes also doesn't seems like they are forcing themselves on each other. It's so natural, it's so soft. It's like they are connecting with each other. There are some actors, they just do those scenes for the sake of the series. They don't have any emotions, they doesn't show any physical reactions, or you just see and you can tell that this is acting and this is natural. And in this series I can tell this is natural. The way they connected with each other, is it was amazing. Like, I love them. I hope Boom and Smart get everything after this. I hope they win awards. I hope they get roles that challenge them and let them show all the layers they have. Clearly they are an amazing actors. I want to see them in another series with different roles, with different emotion, with different storyline. I just love them. And in the whole series I was just screaming, crying and laughing. It's an wholesome series. I will strongly suggest you guys to watch it. So, coming to the end of this video, I will just give some points on the series. So there are three sections. One is story, acting and music.
So, coming to the story, I will give it 8.5 out of 10. Acting and cast is 10 out of 10, no doubt. Music, it could be better. I will give it an 8. So the overall score for this is 9, and I hope you guys like this video. Please comment, like and share. And if you want more reviews, please comment down in what series I should make next. Thank you. Thank you for watching.